What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just the mild boy in Texas, back with another versus and comparison video. This is kind of be like a trifecta kind of thing. I'm doing a review on a type of on-the-ear headphones, the Proxelle, the Cozy Proxelle on-the-ear wireless headphones. I'm also comparing it to 3 other wireless on-the-ear options you folks can take a look at. And these 3, all 4 of these headphones, okay, they're all $50 and under, or can range between under $50 or around $50. Okay, so they're all budget options. Alright, so first off, let's talk about the Proxelle Cozy on the ear headphones. Okay, now I've had this for a week. Okay, I've tested it out. I've been listening to all types of music: reggae, rock, rap, classical music. I listen to all kinds of music. Okay, a lot of techno music. I like my techno stuff too. And these are, I think I got these for like, you know what, the price will be right here. I forgot the price, what it was. I'll go back when I edit it, I'll put it right there. I think it's somewhere between $30 and $40. And for what you pay for, it's worth it. Okay, these are a decent pair of on-the-ear headphones. It's got good sound, it's got good bass, and it's clear. It does not distort at high volume. Now the bass sounds a little flat, and so is the music profile. It sounds a little flat. Okay, it could be a tad louder in my opinion. That's opinion now. Okay, I just listen to things very loud, and when it comes to build quality, it's pretty solid for the most part. Pretty solid on the ear headphones. And when it comes to fit, comfort, and fit, it fits pretty good on your ear. It's actually pretty tight, so these make it actually a pretty good, decent on the ear, what you call that, workout headphones. And let's not forget, these things actually do offer noise cancellation. Let's go ahead and give that a try right now. Okay, I have all of these all on my phone. I'll let you folks listen to it, and if I can find the button. Oh yeah, see the button on this Proxelle on the ear headphones, it's like, oh, it connected. They're right there. The buttons are all right here in this circle. You can barely see them, okay? So it's already connected. And this thing has full-time noise cancellation. Alright? I gotta look. The L and R are written directly in the ear cup. So I was looking, usually they put it over here on the stick things. Stick things? I don't know what they call them, so retarded. Okay, hold on. Let's get some songs. Let's get a song going. And when it comes to volume, it's like I said, it could be a tad louder. Now, this might be loud for some of you folks. Let's go ahead. Oops, sorry. I've been doing that lately. The thing swivel. So, price for performance wise, $30 to $40 is worth it. Okay. Now, if you were to pick this up today and you brought it home, 90% chance you'd be 90% of people out there would probably be happy with these pair of on-the-ear headphones. Now, I'm not 90%, okay? I am more of the 10%, like, who wants the most for their money. And these are good, okay? But when compared to the others, let's talk about the others, okay, real quick. Let's talk about, I didn't get like a whole group picture of what I'm doing. There you go. These are the contenders right here, okay? So that was the Proxelle, totally worth the money. Some problems here and there, but I still think it's totally worth the money. Now let's talk about the CloudFox H2 and how does it stack up. I'm grabbing the wrong headphones. How does it stack up to the Proxelle on the ear headphones? These CloudFox 2s, okay, I did a review on these like a couple weeks back. Now let's go ahead and turn off this Proxelle. I gotta look where the button is. See, it's the buttons on the Proxelle, man, they're really camouflaged. You gotta really look for them. So let's go ahead. And this one, the buttons are on the ear cup. I like the design. The design of these headphones is what initially attracted me to these. to these headphones when I saw them online. Paired. Did you hear that? I don't know if you could hear it, but let's see. Okay, let's go ahead. Listen to that same song. Now these don't have noise cancellation or anything. They just sound good for what they are. I think again these are like 40 bucks. See, already the volume is similar, but these get slightly louder than the Proxelle. Okay, I can barely hear what I'm saying right now because these things are pretty loud and they do have a good seal. Yes, the CloudFox H2s, I did a review on them. Okay, all the reviews to the headphones that I have here, except the Proxelle, because I'm doing that right now, will be all listed below and you can check those out. And the CloudFox H2 does put out a much more fuller sound, I think, than the Proxelles. And they're around the same price, 30, 40, maybe close to $50 with these. I forgot. Again, all prices will be listed right here because you know, I lose track. I lose track of stuff, but I know all of these headphones are in the $50 range or below. Okay, and comfort-wise, these are more comfortable. Okay, they don't grasp your head as much as the Proxelles. Okay, these have a tight fit, which will make it, I think, ideal for working out. Okay, because they grasp your head tighter, and depends also the size and shape of your head. I have a medium-sized head, and these grip me pretty good. Okay, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't leave you know, painful pressure points. It will probably develop pressure points after a few hours, but you know, it never really. It's not bad, not bad at all. And when it comes to these CloudFox H2s, these protein pads, the fit, they feel fantastic. These are nice and soft. They very similar to the Ghosttech Rapture Wireless over-the-ear headphones that I got, and those things are fantastic. These come in a close second when it comes to comfort and fit. These are a bit softer, but they feel like you can kind of push them in. They don't have as much, you know, give. I don't know, like it feels more firm. The Ghosttech Rapture Wireless, firm but soft at the same time. It's kind of a contradictory statement, but these feel good. The build quality, it's basically one piece of metal all the way around. And again, like I said, the weak point is probably here. There's a little thing connecting the ear cup to the main headband here, and they do swivel, so they fit nicely. And these are a good pair of headphones. Now, are these better than the Proxelles? Yeah, they are. Okay, gotta be honest with you folks. CloudFox H2s, lighter, they fit better, they're more comfortable, better sound. They pretty much beat the Proxelles in almost every category. They do. Crisp mids and highs, sharp. Let's see, bass is good. Okay, decent bass on this thing. Not super awesome bass, but it's good bass, decent bass. Okay, it puts out, and it balances well and does not distort at high volume. Most of these headphones here, they don't distort at high volume. Well, not most, all of them. All of these 4 headphones here, they do not distort at high volume, which is great. That's a great thing. And since they're on the ear, they do. This one does get a little bit louder than the Proxelles. Now, let's talk about the Edifier W570BT and how this compares to the Proxelle on the ear wireless headphones. Okay. Now these look kind of generic and dinky, and if by touching them, they kind of are. All right. Now keep in mind, these Edifier W570BTs come in at $30. So you got to take price into consideration, okay? Everyone here is around between like $35 and close to $50 and up, okay? While these come in right at $30. So I think it's connected already. Now, when it comes to sound quality, Edifier W570BTs are fantastic, okay? As you can see here, I'll put a little pictures up here. When I unboxed this, I was already kind of feeling disappointed because what it came with, it came in just a shabby old plastic container box, plastic box. and there was basically 2 wires in it and a piece of paper. And not to mention that these headphones feel very cheap. I mean real cheap. So, but Edifier did one thing right when putting these headphones out. They took all that money they're charging for these headphones and put it into sound. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's start the song. There, you can hear it already. It's pretty loud already. The clarity, the sound, mids and highs are clear, crystal clear. So the bass, it's between great and good. It's a little bit better than good, but not great. Let you folks listen to this. The sound quality of these headphones are, they basically punch above their weight class of $30. These could easily be in the, you know, they could easily charge $50 for the type of sound they're putting out. Okay, they could. I think it's worth it. If these came in a body, say like the Proxelle's body, they could easily charge $50. Okay, that's the only thing the Proxelle got against these Edifier W570BTs is basically the build quality. The build quality feels more solid, more fit than these Edifier W570BTs, and this came in a case of its own and came in a nice box, where these are like just came in just old plastic box. Okay, but other than that, the Edifier, I keep on saying Edifier W570BTs are fantastic. Okay. And they rank highly on my list of on-the-ear headphones. Actually, my wife uses these a lot, and I borrow it from her. I take it back once in a while when I want something light, just to kick back and listen. So, now let's get to my favorite on the pair of on-the-ear wireless headphones. Okay, I'm gonna put that up against the Proxelles, and you already know if it's my favorite, it's gonna get massacred here. Okay, it's the Blueant Pump Souls. The Blueant Pump Souls. Not a lot of people. Actually, no, a lot of people have purchased this thing. Now, these have a bigger brother, over the ear headphones. I don't have that one, and I missed it. I think they stopped making it. I'm kind of disappointed. So let me go ahead. Oh, it's already paired, and put on a song right away. I can hear this sound, and I'm already happy. Let you folks listen to that. These are fantastic. Okay, this was like a blend. Okay, of these two together. Great sound quality, but with great sound quality, good bass. I mean, actually, this thing has pretty good bass. Okay, it's almost great. Mids and highs are crystal clear. They have a nice fit on my head. They squeeze a little bit. But actually, that's good because these are meant for working out. Okay, you lift weights or you go running and whatnot. These are meant to be used for working out. They're sweat proof to the point. Like I've cleaned this a few times already. They are sweat proof. Okay, they dry. Like if you're sweating a whole boatload and you don't clean them and you just let them dry for like a few hours, they'll be dry. Okay, but I recommend cleaning them after every workout. Just saying. But when I compare it to the Proxelle on the ear wireless headphones, okay, build quality, okay, you know what? I have to give it to the Proxelles because this Blueant Pump Soul right here, that's plastic. It feels like plastic, okay? But it does feel more sturdy, which is strange. These have more weight. I think these are the heaviest ones out here. Yeah, this is the heaviest one, the Blueant Pump Souls, compared to the other three. They are light on your head. They do form pressure points, okay, because they squeeze. Even the Proxelles, they do form pressure points after a while. Okay, you can wear them for a couple hours, then they'll start to develop pressure points, and you'll start to feel them. You have to adjust them, move them around a lot. But most people wearing on-the-ear headphones like this, they're using them for working out or long walks or whatnot, or they're using them at home. They're mostly going to use them for like maybe 2 hours, you know, at the most. Okay, and that's when pressure points start to build. You start to feel them. It's like, oh, it gets a little tender or whatnot. But yeah, the Blueant Pump Souls are my favorite. Okay, put out great sound, very close to my wired solo beats too. That's how good these things are. Okay, and when I got the wire, okay, attached to my LG G7, all of these headphones sound really good and better. All of them do. Okay, when I use the wire. Oh, then again, I do have the LG G7 has a DAC, so I don't know. I mean, right now I don't have a phone without a DAC except my Google Pixel 2 XL, but I haven't activated that in a long time. It's sitting in my drawer there because I've been switching between the V30 and the G7. But as a fact, I can tell you the Proxelle on-the-ear wireless headphones are good. CloudFox H2s are better. Edifier W570BTs are better than the Fox 2s. That's my opinion. This plainly when it comes to price per performance. $30, close to $50. The sound quality of this pretty much matches this, but the best one in my opinion are these Blueant Pump Souls. They have a much more full sound profile. The Edifiers, they have a clean sound profile. I mean, this is the cleanest sounding one, I think. The CloudFox H2 is a blend between the Blueants and the Edifiers. They're nice and clean, nice full sound profile, and these are a flat sounding profile. So I mean, it depends what you're looking for. Okay, the clear winner here for me, in my opinion, is the Blueant Pump Soul. Second would be W570BT's Edifier. Third would be these CloudFoxes. Okay, I'm partial, and I hate to say it, the Proxelles, they come in dead last. And I'm partial to the W570BTs because they're light and they're cheap. Okay, so if I break them, it's only gonna cost me $30, $25 when it goes on sale to get a new pair. But then again, I've had these for a few months now and I love them. I do. Okay, CloudFox H2s, I mean, they're right there. They're third place, but if I would say, you know what, they're tied. These two are tied because these both put out great sound, and I like the look of the Fox H2s, and they feel light. I think these are the lightest pair of headphones. Oh no, wait, these are. But compared to the other two, these have a very, very soft grip on the head. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you folks think. What pair of on-the-ear headphones that you have that is budget, you know, that you guys have that you really love. I know MPOW does some pretty good ones, Awesome. There's a few like Tautronics. Tautronics got one, I think, on the ear, cheap one that does good. Okay, that sounds good. Let me know what you folks think in the comments down below. This was my comparison and sort of review video of the Proxelle wireless on the ear headphones, comparing it to the Blueant Pump Souls, W570BTs, and the CloudFox H2s. Let me know what you folks think about this versus video. Let me know in the comments down below. It's Guddang775. I want to thank you folks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.